links feature a seamless tubular construction. This is particularly important with vinyl since the opaque material makes it difficult to see and position a seam for proper installation. Burndy's vinyl lugs and vinyl links can be installed with the MR889-1 full-cycle ratchet tool. This tool will crimp the barrel and the insulation in one operation, providing a UL-listed installation for the complete range of wire sizes. To install, place the terminal stop in the up position for a terminal. Insert the terminal and squeeze the handles until the first click is heard. Once started, the handles won't release until the crimp is completed. Now insert the conductor and finish the crimp. When completed, the tool will release, enabling you to remove the terminal. For instant inspection, the MR889-1 will emboss a dot code directly into the terminal insulation. This indicates that a full-cycle ratchet tool was used and that the terminal was inserted in the proper die groove. In addition to our basic products, Burndy builds a comprehensive line of terminals for special applications, such as quick connect lugs, seamless double-thickness heavy-duty lugs, both insulated and uninsulated, lugs and splices with special insulation grips for elastic insulations, and even connectors for high temperature and nuclear applications. Burndy is also the leader in compression connectors and tooling to accommodate conductors up to 2,000 MCM. We're the largest manufacturer of split bolt connectors and offer a breadth of mechanical connectors unmatched by competition. A great deal of time and care is devoted to specifying the cable that will be used in a project. This cable, however, is only as good as its installation. When you consider the ongoing quantity of terminals and splices, the cost of tooling and labor, the choice of a connector system can often represent a substantial investment that will affect the performance of the system or project. When you specify Burndy connectors and installation tooling, you can be assured of quality installations at the lowest installed cost. Where customer satisfaction comes first. For over 2/3 of a century, Burndy Corporation has been the pioneer in electrical connector design. With more than 1,000 patents, manufacturing facilities in over 10 countries, and offices in more than 60 countries, Burndy is the world's largest single manufacturer of connectors for the electrical construction industry. Our products are used in generating plants, on transmission lines, in substations, overhead and underground distribution, as well as in the wiring of commercial and industrial installations. Since connectors are Burndy's only business, we established the first laboratory dedicated solely to the testing and development of electrical connectors. We introduced the original concept of a total connection system. Burndy developed the first forged split bolt connector, the first connector compound for reliable connection to aluminum conductor, the first line of compression connectors, and the patented triangular penetration technology to satisfy the new UL 486B requirements. Burndy is a leader in the design and manufacture of medium and large compression connectors. The Burndy system features effective, economical installation tools, which are easy to use, require less time, and provide you with quality installations at the lowest installed cost. The MY29-3 and the insulated MY29-3C are heavy-duty forged dieless tools. They'll install terminals and splices on conductors ranging from number 8 through 250 MCM copper and number 8 through 4/0 aluminum. As you'll see, these tools are extremely easy to use. After using the connector barrel as a guide to strip the cable insulation, adjust the tool's nest die by aligning the white scribe to the wire size being installed. Please note that copper conductor settings are shown on one side of the tool, while aluminum settings are shown on the opposite side. With the tool set to the proper conductor size, place the compression terminal into the die. Insert the conductor fully into the terminal and crimp directly on the colored bands. Although Burndy terminals can be crimped anywhere around the barrel, we recommend that the crimp be perpendicular to the tongue for a more professional appearance. Longer terminals may require more than one crimp. The color-coded bands on the terminal indicate the number and location of the crimps required for a proper installation. If a splice or aluminum terminal is being installed, the crimp should be placed between the color-coded rings or knurlings. Longer splices requiring more than one crimp should be crimped from the center of the connector towards the cable. The MY29 high tool is also available in a version to accommodate extra flexible or welding cables. It's called the MY29-11. To provide quality installations at a lower installed cost, Burndy Engineering developed the Y644 high tool. We call it the one crimp because only one crimp is required to make UL and CSA listed installations on a wide range of conductors and connectors. This tool will install number 6 stranded through 750 MCM copper and number 6 through 1000 MCM aluminum conductors. With the Y644, short and long barrel connectors require only one crimp to complete the installation. One crimp means less time and a lower installed cost, especially on larger conductors. For example, a 750 MCM long barrel normally requires 4 crimps. However, with the Y644, the installation can be completed with only one crimp. That's efficiency. Due to its hydraulic design, the one crimp exerts an unmatched 13 tons of force, providing an enhanced installation. The one crimp also features the industry's smallest head for working in tight places, 120 degrees head rotation for convenient handle operation, a hinged head with captive locking pin for easy splice installations. And because the Y644 is precision engineered by Burndy, the head lines up perfectly every time. The one crimp provides fast, easy installations. Just insert the connector and rapid advance the ram by rotating the handle clockwise until an audible click is heard. Next, fully insert the conductor and pump the handle. When the crimp is complete, the tool's release valve will produce an audible blow-off with a sudden release of handle pressure. To remove the connector, simply squeeze the trigger while closing the handle. The Y644 dieless high press provides a lower installed cost and eliminates costly production delays due to incorrect or lost dies at the job site. In quality assurance programs where ease of outside inspection is a necessity, Burndy offers a complete color-coded die installation system, including the easy-to-use Y39 high press. This system will accommodate the full range of copper and aluminum conductors from number 8 through 750 MCM. To provide instant inspectability, each die embosses a die index identification directly into the connector body. The Burndy system eliminates confusion by providing one complete color-coded die set for each cable size. Unlike some competitive designs, we don't accommodate different conductors by intermixing die halves. With a Burndy system, die set selection is convenient and simple. All information is printed directly on the connector body. Die set catalog number, die index number, wire size, and the colored bands match the die set color code. In addition, the number of crimps is indicated by the